Many people open CMD and type commands without knowing where they are, who they are, or what system they are working on. Today I will remove that confusion completely. Think of Windows like a big building with rooms, doors and locks. Let's start step by step. First, I want to know what type of Windows I am inside, just like asking which building am I standing in. For that, I type the command ver. This tells me the Windows version. It is very important for IT jobs because some commands works only on a specific Windows version. Now imagine you enter a room, but you don't know who you are inside this room. Are you the owner, guest or admin? To check that, I type who am I. This shows the exact user count I am using. If I am not an admin, many commands will fail later. Now we will talk about disk. Think of disk like floor in a building. Now listen carefully. Disk part is powerful like a master key for the entire building. Today I will only open it and close it. No change. I type disk part and press enter. You can see the disk part prompt. This tool can delete entire disk if misused, so I exit immediately. Now I want to see how many rooms or floors I have. For that I type fsutil fs info drives. This shows all available drives like CDE. It helps when troubleshooting missing drivers. Every disk has an ID card. To check that, I type volume. This shows the volume label and serial number. Very useful when matching disk in recovery situation. Now I want to see what is inside the main hole of drive C. So I type dir/c:\\. This list important system folder. Never delete anything here without knowledge. This command is like a full medical report of your computer. I type system info. It shows OS version, RAM, boot time and updates. IT engineers use this daily. Every computer has a name just like a room number. To see it, I type host name. This is very important in office networks. Your IP address is like your house address on a network. To see it, I type ipconfig. If internet is not working, this is the first command you check. Never delete folders like Windows, program files or system32. That is like removing walls from your house. Admin rights are like a master key. Without it, many commands will say access denied. Always know who you are before running commands. Today you learn how to understand your system before touching anything dangerous. This is the mindset of a real IT engineer. In the next video we will go deeper step by step. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.